Welcome to our ultimate showdown between two popular portable washing machines, the WonderWash and the BLACK+DECKER. In this video, we'll explore their features, specifications, and usability to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's dive in. The WonderWash operates manually, requiring you to crank it by hand, which can be a workout but allows for eco-friendly washing without electricity. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER is fully electric, offering convenience and ease of use with just the push of a button. This makes it ideal for those who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. When it comes to capacity, the WonderWash can handle up to 5 pounds of laundry, making it suitable for small loads. However, the BLACK+DECKER can accommodate up to 11 pounds, making it a better choice for larger families or heavier laundry days. This difference in capacity can significantly affect your laundry routine. Price is another critical factor to consider. The WonderWash is priced at a budget-friendly $55, making it an attractive option for those on a tight budget or living in small spaces. In contrast, the BLACK+DECKER comes with a higher price tag of $309, reflecting its advanced features and larger capacity. It's essential to weigh these costs against your laundry needs. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and BLACK+DECKER portable washers have their unique strengths and weaknesses. The WonderWash is perfect for those seeking a compact, manual option, while the BLACK+DECKER offers convenience and larger capacity for a higher price. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.